Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I have another try on haul for you. I have more fun things from Red Dress Boutique. I just have not been able to get enough. I feel like every single time I go to that site, there's always new things on there. I got lots of fun things here that I'm going to try on for you. So if you're interested in seeing some of my new summer finds, make sure to watch this video all the way through. That way you don't miss a thing. I don't even know why this box is so big, but I did some damage. Adorable is this little romper. Okay, it is like the girliest thing ever and I love it. Look at this beautiful little eyelet detailing, and they even have it here on the ruffles along the sleeves. The back is a scrunchy little elastic band, so it's easy to get on and off. You have your pockets, which I also love. How stinking cute is this super beautiful woven straw basket? Super fun for summer. It has the gold thread flex throughout all of it. I love this little diamond shaped kind of band. That way it just kind of sits right there in the nook of your elbow and it's comfortable. It's super large as far as just throwing things in there. You can use it for beach or you can just use it for like little summer tote out on the go. Also, I want to show you these earrings. I think these are so fun with all those multicolored beads. Like, they're just so darling. I think they're super cute, and honestly, I was nervous that they're gonna be heavy. They're not though at all. They feel totally fine in the ear. Look at how beautiful all of these colors are. I think they're so pretty. It just reminds me of like a pretty ice cream parlor or something. This is hitting me right underneath the calf, so it's decently long, that's for sure. Comes with this pink braided little belt. I wrapped it around twice just to give it a little more like, I guess, Little Mermaid out of the water type feel, you know, little toga type thing. It has like a white underlay, so you don't have to worry about it being see-through because it is super lightweight. Is super fun. If you're looking for like that 70s throwback, this is the summer dress that you're gonna want. I have been seeing so much crocheting lately, and I just thought this pattern was really fun. I love that it's like a little halter top. It also ties here at the back. It has a really pretty eyelet detailing at the bottom of the trim as well. Of course, I had to get some sunnies to match, so I just think these are super fun. They fade from the orange down to the yellow lens. These were only like $12 or $14. They also have like some wire detailing here just to give them a little depth and dimension. They have a variety of shades if you don't particularly want this like sunset type feel. They have like pink to blue, they have purple to pink, they have black to pink, they have like a ton of different lens shades. Also, they have a different lens shape. If you want like the actual round, like more the 60, 70 vibe even, then they have that too. I just like these more like oversized, like rounded squared ones. And then there was this beautiful lacy blue dress. I want to give you a close-up of this detailing. It is just gorgeous. These sleeves I think are just super pretty. I will say this dress is on the heavier side because it's like full on lace doily, like it's solid. I think the bottom here is super cute with that like tiered little ruffle, and I would just pair it with like a simple nude little heel, kind of like the ones I showed you in my last Red Dress Boutique haul. Those would go like perfect. So basically, I just have a shopping problem because I don't know which is my favorite. I would love it if you let me know down below. If you want some more style and little try-on sessions, look at these videos right over here on the side. If you enjoyed this try-on haul, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. That way you can always see everything I bring you. If you haven't found me on the gram yet, I promise you will want to follow me. It's at LaceLoveandLaura. That way you can see everything that I bring to you on the daily. And until next time, sunshines, stay sweet.